Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This Pacific Servo driver came to us from a metal foundry located in the Caribbean. The driver was dead, and their system needed this axis control to help shape the girders their facility produced. We performed a full rebuild and then tested it on one of our many servo motors to check its performance was up to par. ERD has performed repairs for servo controls like this for years, so we have amassed many different types of motors to cover any base for our final tests. This is all to make sure our customers get the best assurance from our repairs, so contact ERD now for a quote.